Yeah, welcome back everybody. Let's continue with the review of partial fractions. We take these few questions. Resolve 2x squared plus 3x minus 1 over x into bracket x squared minus 4 into partial fractions. First of all, we can write the denominator. The fraction is the same as 2x squared plus 3x minus 1 over x into bracket x plus 2 times x minus 2. And that simply means a over x plus b over x plus 2 plus c over x minus 2. The LCM of the denominators is x times x plus 2 times x minus 2. And that simply means the numerator will be a times x plus 2 times x minus 2 plus bx times x minus 2 plus cx times x plus 2. Now, the denominators are the same. That simply means the numerators are also equivalent. So, I'm just going to write 2x squared plus 3x minus 1 plus 3x minus 1 is equivalent to a times x plus 2 times x minus 2 plus bx times x minus 2 plus cx times x plus 2. Let me call that equation 1. Now if I put x equals 2 in equation 1, this will become 0 and this also becomes 0, and I'll be left with 2 into bracket 2 squared plus 3 times 2 minus 1 equals c times 2 times 2 plus 2, and the left hand side will be, this will be 8 plus 6 14 minus 1 13 equals 8c, and that means c equals 13 over 8. Now if I put x equals minus 2 in equation 1, this will become 0 and this also becomes 0, and I'll be left with 2 into bracket minus 2 squared plus 3 times minus 2 minus 1 equals b times minus 2 times minus 2 minus 2, and the left hand side will be, this will be 8 minus 6 minus 1. 8 minus 6 is 2, minus 1 is 1. 1 equals plus 8b. The right hand side will be 8b, and that means b equals 1 over 8. Now if I put x equals 0 in equation 1, if I put x equals 0, this will become 0 and this also becomes 0, and I'll be left with 2 into bracket 0 squared plus 3 times 0 minus 1 equals a into a times 0 plus 2, a into bracket 0 plus 2 times 0 minus 2, which simply means minus 1 equals, minus 4a, and that means a equals 1 over 4. So the fraction 2x squared plus 3x minus 1 over x times x squared minus 4 is equal to a over x, which means 1 over 4x plus b over x plus 2, which means 1 over 8 into bracket x plus 2 plus c over x minus 2, which means c is 13 over 8, and that simply means 13 over 8 into bracket x minus 2. Of course, we remember that x squared minus 4 is the same as x times 2 times, is the same as x plus 2 times x minus 2. And that's it, very, very simply. Let's say the second one. What's the second one? Resolve. The second one is 3 over x plus 1 times x minus 2. This is what we are resolving into partial fractions. Now, this is the same as, this is very simple, a over x plus 1 plus b over x minus 2. The LCM of the denominators is x plus 1 times x minus 2. And the numerator will be a times a into bracket x minus 2 plus b into bracket x plus 1. That simply means 3 is equivalent to a into bracket x minus 2 plus b into bracket x plus 1. Now, I'm not using the cover up method here. I want to open the bracket on the right hand side. When you substitute values for x to eliminate unknowns and eliminate some of your unknowns and find 1, then that method is you are using the cover up method. But here I want to use the method of comparing coefficients. So that gives me ax minus 2a plus bx plus b. That's what 3 is equal to. Now, if I compare the coefficients of x, a plus b will be equal to 0. There's no x term on the left hand side, so that's the same as just saying 0x. And on the right hand side, the coefficients of x are a and b. I can simply write ax plus bx as a plus b times x. Or maybe I should even do that. That will make it much clearer. So let me write the equation as 3 into bracket ax plus bx minus 2a plus b, which means 3 equals a plus b times x minus 2a plus b. Now, comparing the coefficients of x on both sides, the coefficient of x on the right hand side is a plus b, and on the left hand side is 0, because there's no x term on the left hand side, so it's the same as saying 0x. That's equation, let me call this equation 2, or let me call this equation 1. Comparing the constants, the constant on the right hand side is minus 2a plus b, and the constant on the left hand side is 3. So that's equation 2. And now I'm going to solve the two equations simultaneously. Minus 2a plus b equals 3. And I can subtract to eliminate b. A minus minus 2a will be 3a. B minus b is 0. 0 minus 3 is minus 3. And that means a equals minus 1. Now putting a in 1, that simply means minus 1 plus b equals 0, which means b equals 1. Yeah, that's correct. And that therefore means the fraction, that simply means 3 over x plus 1 into bracket x minus 2 is equal to a, which is minus 1 over x plus 1 plus b over x minus 2, which is 1 over x minus 2. And that's it, very, very simply. The method I used here is the method of comparing coefficients, and it's just as easy too. All right, thank you very much, and we'll continue in the next. Bye bye.